How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to increase your push-ups by up to 30. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So you want to increase your push-ups by at least 30. Some background information about me: the most amount of push-ups I've ever done in a row is 80. So I've done quite a few push-ups in a row. That was non-stop, not taking a break, not stopping, with good form. So I will tell you how to increase your push-ups by 30 because in my opinion, anyone should be able to do about 60 in a row. Anyone. Doesn't matter your genetics. So the first tip I will give you, and a tip that I say in most of my videos for push-ups when my subscribers ask for tips, is that you must be at a lean body fat percentage. If you are someone right now who's overweight and you're trying to increase your push-ups, and you're trying to do it by increasing your form, doing different reps, doing different sets, all that's super nice, and that will help your push-ups by a couple. But if you honestly want to see a huge change, and we're talking 30 repetitions here, that is a huge number of repetitions. You're not going to get that by adjusting your form by an inch or two for your hand positioning or squeezing your glutes. That's not going to happen at all. To increase it by 30 repetitions, that's huge. Huge. So how do you do it? How do you instantly increase your push-ups? Something that no one ever tells you on any of the push-up videos. That's lose weight. Instantly your push-up numbers will instantly skyrocket. They will skyrocket, depending if you're overweight or not. If you are super skinny, like super skinny, and you can't lose any more weight, or you shouldn't, or go anorexic or something like that, then doing sets and rep ranges and increasing by that will increase your push-ups. You can't lose any weight. So if you're super skinny, this won't work for you. But most people watching this video could afford to lose 10-15 pounds, in my opinion, unless you're like 7% body fat. If you're 7% body fat watching this video, you don't need to lose weight. So again, it depends on your body type. Again, most people can afford to lose 10, 15, 20 pounds. So yeah, unless you're at 7-8% body fat, this applies to you. People that are super lean already, just follow a good push-up routine. Volume one day, intensity the next day, rest period, so volume, rest period, intensity, volume, rest day, volume, rest, intensity. That gives me to my next point, which I just said: follow a proper push-up routine. So the best push-up routine that I will give you guys is you want to do a volume day and an intensity day. Most people who try to increase their number of push-ups that they do screw this up huge. They really screw this up. So what people will do, they'll do poor programming. It's not proper programming at all. What they will do is they will do intensity day. Intensity. That is not the case, you guys. You want one day that's devoted to volume. What I also mean by intensity day is if you're someone who every time you try to increase the number of push-ups you do in a row. So if Monday you get 30 repetitions, Wednesday you try to get 31, Friday you try to get 32, next day you try to get 32 again, try to get 33. Keep doing that over and over again until you can't. If you're someone that constantly does this and you're plateauing, you can't get any more repetitions, it's because you can't just keep doing that. If you were able to do that, you would be able to do 500 reps in a row. That's not the case. When you hit that sticking point, that is when you add in a volume day. So if you're doing, let's say, 40 repetitions in a row, on your volume day, you should be doing about 100 repetitions, 120 repetitions in a row. Whatever your intensity is, you should be able to be doing 3-4 times that amount on your volume day. Split up though through multiple sets. So you're not gonna do 3 sets of 40 reps. 40 reps is the max you can do. You might do 6 sets of 20 repetitions. That's a good volume day workout. And then over time, you're just slowly gonna increase the amount of numbers you do on your volume day. You do this, I guarantee you, your push-up numbers will skyrocket. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it, and please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999.